What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ARJ Infotech, myself Akshay. Today I have come up with a new video, that is the job notification from BESCOM, Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited. So please watch the video till end, don't skip the video, so you will be understood all the eligibility criteria and for which stream, which branch they are hiring. You will come to know. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on my future videos. I will be posting still more job updates. Without wasting time, let's get into the point. First we will see the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is the candidate should be completed B.Tech or diploma, and he should not have any backlogs, and the candidate should have scored minimum passing mark and obtained a degree engineering in the year 2018, 19 and 20. Please note here, the important thing is that the students passed after July 2018 only are eligible to apply. Before 2018, students are not eligible to apply here. 2018, 19 and 20 are eligible. And if you see what is the requirements, that is there for graduate apprenticeships. For graduate students, here they have given that electrical and electronics engineering (EEE). The number of apprenticeship is 143. For electronics and communication engineering (ECE), they have given 116 post, and for computer science and engineering 36 vacancies. For information science and engineering 20 vacancies. For civil engineering 5 vacancy. For instrumentation technology engineering 5. Totally 325 posts for graduate apprenticeship. And the monthly stipend will be given to the graduates who are selected is about 7,000, and the training period will be for 1 year. And next, for technician diploma apprenticeship, that is for electrical and electronics engineering 55 post, for electronics and communication engineering 10 post, computer science and engineering 10 post, and they will be paid for monthly 5,000, and duration of training is 1 year. Total posts are 75 post. 325 plus 75, totally 400 post. And here you can see that duration of training, the duration of apprenticeship training will be for a period of 1 year as per Apprenticeship Act 1961. There will be 1 year training. That's it. Selection procedure. The selection will be based on the merit. They will be shortlisting you based on your merit that you have scored in your degree. And for registration, what is the procedure for registration and submission of the application? Okay, if you have not enrolled in for mhrd.nats.government.in, you can see my previous video. I will be given in the iCard. After registering here, in this website, and the second step is log into this website and click establishment request menu, click find establishment, upload resume, choose establishment name. This all steps I will say later, so we will move forward. Here you can see the important dates. For online application, starting date is 15/7/2021. Today is 24, and the last date of enrolling in NATS portal in order to apply for Bangalore Electricity Supply Limited is 30/7/2021. Still you have 1 week time, so don't delay, apply today only. The last date for applying Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited is 5/8/2021. Means this 37/2021 is you have to register in this MHRD NATS government.in. If you have not registered for this website, I have made the video previously. You can watch that video. I am given in the I tag, and also I have given the link in the description. And declaration of shortlisted candidate is on 10/8/2021. That is August 10th. The shortlisted candidate list will be released from the BESCOM. Okay, after you are luckily shortlisted, means you can go for the verification of documents for Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited. Here they have given the address. Okay, that's all. I will show how to apply for BESCOM in the MHRD NATS website. Okay friends, here you can see the website of MHRD NATS, National Apprenticeship Training Scheme website. So after you have been registered for this, and here click on establishment request and find establishment, and this page will be, you will be redirected to this page, and click on establishment and type the name of BESCOM here, Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited, and click on the search button, and you will be redirected to next page. Here you can see all the information they have given, Bangalore Electricity Supply Company Limited, graduate, and here the action is there, apply. So you have to click here. If you click on apply, you will be redirected to the next page, and it will display like this. Here another one line will come to apply. I have already applied, so the here apply button is not there. If here the apply button will display, so you can click on the apply and you will be applied, and you will get the notification later. And also you can see after you have applied, it is all request, one active, one, and you can also print this and keep it for your reference, PDF file, etc. And here it will show the status of your apprenticeship recruitment. Okay guys, if you need still more information, you can download the notification. The link will be given in the description. It is good to go through the notification that is released by BESCOM thoroughly. The link will be given in the description. And that's all for today. If any other job notification released, I will make a video and let you know. Thank you for watching the video. Still if you have not subscribed to our channel, please press on the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on my future videos, and I will be coming with new job notifications. Okay, until then, take care. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, please comment below and like the video. Bye bye.